Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, so welcome back. So today I will be talking about the dollar and the dollar denominations. So without further ado, I will be covering a few currencies such as the euro dollar, AUD USD, gold. Okay, these three main currencies to kind of tell you guys or show you guys, give you guys a sensing where price could potentially be headed to. All right. So for those of you guys that's just joining to the stream, okay, do make sure to to leave a like and comment down on the chat section below for me to take a look and for me to answer any of the questions that you guys have. Okay. So if you're looking right now into the charts at the moment, we actually looking at AUD USD. Okay, let's talk about the daily time frame first, shall we? So right on the daily time frame, we're talking about AUD USD. We notice that price actually came down to clear this single over here. All right, so this area here has actually been cleared. This bottom area here has been cleared. It is very obvious, okay, and upon clearing this level, price actually went up bullish. However, the question now is that whether this bullish leg will continue to persist, or would it start to wane and will it start to drop and for the USD to actually overtake and start moving in the bearish direction. Okay, so that would be how the daily time frame is looking like. Okay, personally, I've marked out this blue supply zone over here. This area is an area, and I will be zooming it later on the lower time frame for you guys to take a closer look as to why I chose this specific area as a potential area price can tap into. Okay, so if I'm going down to the 4 hours time frame, let me go down to the 4 hours time frame to take a look for you guys. Okay, let me hit right down. If you're looking at the 4 hours time frame, we notice that price actually went all the way down. Okay, let me mark this out first. Over here, as you guys can see, price actually came down to clear this liquidity at the bottom. Okay, and is currently in some kind of range. All right, it is currently ranging. And I believe that this specific area here, which is the previous daily low, can actually be cleared. Okay. So I have reason to believe that this area here can be cleared. Okay, and if we're looking at the 4 hours time frame, we notice this entire consolidation coming in onto AUD USD over here. Okay, I've marked it out in a blue box. And if we were to actually go to the perhaps 1 hour time frame to take a look, okay, I believe this area is an area price can come down to potentially clear. All right, but on the 1 hour time frame, we see a lot of slow movements coming into the market, potentially signaling a FOMC pre-FOMC quietness in the market, okay, and consolidation. Also, I've marked out this specific area of equal highs. Okay, there's 3 points here with equal highs where I believe price can actually come up to clear this extreme area of liquidity, guys. Okay, so however, if I am looking at the 1 hour time frame, okay, I actually see what an ideal scenario would be when price to actually come down. Okay, price will to actually come down, clear the low. Okay, and I see a change of character. I notice a change or a break of structure. So that would be something that I would want to look out for. Okay. So, however, looking at current price now, it's super consolidatory, and there's nothing much that we can actually do currently in the market. However, if I were to go down to the 15 minutes time frame, and oh yes, guys, hang on, let me just show you guys this specific area here that actually stimulated, or this area here, this supply zone is an area that I've marked out, which is actually the bearish order block, that if price were to come up, I would like to see a reaction of this zone over here. And currently we see price rejecting the upside. Okay, if we are going down to the low time frame to actually potentially look for a trade setup, okay, so we notice that price actually cleared levels, cleared this high over here, cleared a second high over here, okay, cleared both of that highs. And if you go down to the 3 minutes or the 1 minute time frame, you see this entire area here being cleared. This inefficiency is being cleared, and in my opinion, I believe price can definitely come down lower, okay, due to this insane, clearing of liquidities, buy side liquidities, and I believe that price can potentially hit down further. However, if we were to go down to the 1 hour time frame again to take a quick look, ultimately my bias is for price to reach 0.6666. Okay, and that would be the forecast on the AUD USD. Okay, so now I will be analyzing the chart on Euro USD. So moving on to the Euro dollar, we notice that Euro dollar has been absolutely smashing it. Okay, it's been so bullish, and we actually see price actually came up roughly about 180 pips ever since then. Okay, we notice this insanely strong bullish momentum coming into the euro dollar. Okay, we notice that price is very likely or seemingly very likely to be able to tap into the highs as well. And this is mainly due to the fundamental news that's playing out. Okay, so Richard Akal said, nice accent, thank you. Okay, so as we see on the euro dollar, we actually see price respecting this support level here before heading up. Okay, in my perspective, I believe the price can potentially continue moving forward, moving bullish, due to some of the fundamental news that's happening in the market currently, such as the Silicon Valley Bank, okay, and multiple banks actually falling and signifying the strong, the strong USD uncertainty surrounding the dollar, okay, and the very unstable market that the US dollar is currently in. So my forecast on euro dollar is that it will continue heading up. Okay, it will continue pushing up to potential levels like this supply zone over here. Okay, this supply zone over here is a level that I would like to look at, and or potentially even creating a new high on the euro dollar. Okay, so that would be my forecast on the euro dollar. If I were to go to the chart on the chart of gold, okay, this is a very interesting one because I've marked out, as you can see, some key levels. However, on the daily time frame, we notice price actually tapping into the $2,000 regions. Okay, and this actually signifies that it has reached a key psychological level. Okay, and currently price has rejected off that area. However, I do believe that price can continue pushing up. And first things first, we see price tapping into this area of supports over here. Okay, and we could potentially see further bullish continuations up in the market. Okay, and yes, Richard Wyckoff said the ECB President Lagarde spoke yesterday. Yes, she did spoke yesterday, and currently the euro against the dollar seems very much more attractive. Let me go to the chart for you guys. Okay, and the reason being is also because of the interest rate differential in the market. Okay, in the previous euro or ECB monetary policy, President Lagarde actually decided to hike rates, or the team actually came to a consensus to hike rates by 50 basis points. And that is a very, or rather I would say that is a hawkish stance in the market as compared to, let's say, the dollar, where currently, due to all the instability that's happening in the market, okay, it's suspected or is priced in the market that the Fed would hike rates by 25 bips or lesser. In my opinion, I believe there's an actual reason to believe that the Fed could potentially pause rates. And the reason why I say that price could potentially, or the Fed could potentially pause rates, is because of the current price instability surrounding the US dollar, and because multiple banks are falling and the share prices are falling down okay, due to the SVB crisis. Okay, and personally, if I'm coming back to the gold chart, I believe that price can potentially heading up again to the 2000 region, and I would definitely be looking to see if I can enter on the lower time frame, okay, upon tapping into this supply zone. So what I would like to see, or what I would potentially like to see, is for areas such as this high to be broken first, okay, or a possible retracement down before entry. So that will be it in the market for today. It'll be me talking about the dollar, and overall, I believe that the dollar has further downside potential. Okay, I believe that the dollar can potentially come down further, and it can potentially, Euro USD and AUD USD can potentially continue heading up. Of course, Euro dollar seems to be much stronger in terms of bullish strength, but I do believe there's reasons to believe that there is further upside potential on the Euro dollar and on AUD USD. So that'll be it for today's session, guys, and I hope you guys had a very fruitful session. It's a pleasure to be able to live stream with you guys and to be able to talk to you guys, and it's really, really a pleasure for you guys who's coming in to view the stream. And I'll catch you guys again on Thursday, and my guest speaker Yongting will be talking on it again tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you guys again on Thursday, and stay tuned, guys. All right, bye bye.